Hey, what's up, family? This is me again, Set and Safe from Ride Fit Nation. We're in the midst of doing a build on this '05 Softail Deluxe behind me. I have the thing ripped out. It's on the lift. My last video pertaining to the lift, to this bike, to this build, was the rims that I got. Now today I got some stuff that got delivered from Hogworks. So we're doing a bunch of unboxing. Get ready for a lot of unboxing and a whole lot of installation stuff, all right? So let's start off with this first and see what we got. Hogworks, if you don't know, Hogworks definitely makes things for Softails and not just touring bikes. So if you're looking for places to go for your Softails, definitely check out Hogworks, because I saw some stuff, man. I had to order these things. So we are gonna get after this and unbox this thing together. All right, so what is this part? Beautiful. So this is gonna be the engine guard. I'm a big fan of engine guards, whether I'm riding a Softail or a full touring bike. I'm a big fan of engine guards. If the bike happens to topple over, then the bike is protected. And what I like about this engine guard, it comes fully black. Man, they have this thing designed. They got this thing wrapped nicely, man. But you know what? We gonna get through this together. Violent. Okay, this is nice. Beautiful black. It's, this engine guard looks really good, and it's not as heavy as you might think. The weld looks good on here. So this is gonna go right here to the front of the bike. And once it gets installed, that alone is gonna give some flavor to the bike, and I can put my highway pegs on here and get that part going, all right? So we got that. Let's keep this party going though. We ain't gonna waste our time on just engine guards. Okay, what else did we get from Hogworks? Let's open this up. My man in Mexico said, I hope you cut yourself with the knife. Violent. Hey, Mexico, I don't like you, bro. All right, so we got an entire package here. I'm not gonna take everything out of the box. I'm just gonna go through what it is. Now, this one is the engine guard lights. These are gonna go right on the engine guard. That means at nighttime I get way more lights. This fits a 1.25 diameter guard, which is that, okay? That's there. Then we got the visor style trim. In one of my videos, I mentioned that I don't like the flat surface there. So we got the trim right here. Man, Hogworks is the best, man. I'm telling you, I ain't got no problems with Hogworks whatsoever. And then this here is the security lock system for your seat. Is that what this is? Hold on a second. I wanna make sure I'm giving you guys the right info. It doesn't say it. This is the t-shirt, which y'all will see me rocking when I'm doing a Hogworks install. What else we got in here? We got boxes within the boxes. These are the auxiliary lights, the two trims. That's gonna go perfectly with this together, all right? That's gonna look good. Now, what's within the box? With my knife, my trusty knife. Da da dee 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 da 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 dee 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 dee. Yo, this is a lot of work, man. I'm telling you, this is a lot of work, but I like to make it fun because what? It is fun. So here it is. So these are the engine, the rear guards. You can use these for protecting your bags. In my case, this bike is not gonna have any bags on here, at least not right now. It ain't gonna have no bags. But once again, I love the look of the rear guard. So we're gonna do an install on this as well. What I see off the bat is that the engine guard is a different black. The engine guard is more like a matte finish versus this is more like a glossy finish. So let's do a comparison so you can see what I'm saying. So this is the engine guard here, okay? And this is the rear. Can you tell the difference in it? This is glossy, this is more matte. So I'm gonna have to take this and get this to go gloss, because it will drive me nuts knowing that I have a flat guard and then I have a gloss guard in the back. It's just gonna drive me nuts. Now, let's see what else we got here. Give y'all all the things we need. Okay, that's perfect. I move that to the side. Guys, I'm going through this, man. I'm hoping to inspire some of you guys to really get it going. All right, these are LED handlebar lights, and these are really, really cool. Let me just make sure that I got them in black and not chrome, because if it's chrome, I have to send them back. All right, this is black, perfect. This is black, like that. I love it when companies really pay attention and do the right stuff that they need to do. You know what I mean? And this is why I support. Okay? Now, last box. What's in the last box? I have no idea. No, actually I do have an idea. It's lights. I ordered so many things that I don't remember what it is that I ordered and what's not. I don't remember. Is there anything else in this box before I discard it? Nothing else is in that box. Get out of here. Let's make some space for these. Now these should be the lights. These are the lights. Okay, let's actually open this up and look to see what it is. The package is fantastic. I don't even think I want to throw this box away. This box looks so darn good. I could do something else with this box. So this is coming with, man, this thing is packaged nicely, man. So these are going to be the side lights. They're smoked. Okay, all black. I'll take this off so you can see it. Damn, this looks good. Can you see that? That's beautiful. I mean, look at the details here. Man, I can't even show y'all too much for too long because, you know, there are things coming, man. I'm just trying to give y'all the concept, some motivation to get out there and get a bike, man. Build your bike up. Let's do something for 2024. If you got it. I mean, not everybody can do it, but if you can, let's get it done. Look at that. That's all smoked, okay? And big shout outs to my man, Gliding with Ty. He just got himself another bike, which is a Road King. Proud of that, brother. He did his thing. And let's see the center light. Man, unboxing stuff is fun. I'm like a kid in a candy store. This is better than Christmas. I don't even celebrate Christmas, but this is better than Christmas anyway. All right. Let's see what this looks like. Beautiful. Come on, man. Come on. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. This whole light bezel system looks fantastic. So this comes with the frame plate, the wiring. This is the middle light. When I tell you it's beautiful, I mean it's beautiful. I might just take some pictures of this and just post it on Instagram or something. That way y'all can get some better shots. And it comes with the frame mounting bracket. That, you know, this is gonna go in, and this is gonna, of course, this is gonna push in here. You're gonna lock it in place. That way you know that everything is legitimately in place and nothing is gonna fall out. Guys, I wanna tell you something, man. There's some companies out there who I truly support. And there's some companies who I don't support. You would never know the companies that don't support because you ain't gonna see them on this channel, period. Hogworks, I support. Hogworks is consistently doing stuff, making things, helping all of us to create better looking and better performing motorcycles. And I can't thank them enough. You know what I mean? The stuff that I ordered it and they got it delivered right away. They showed up as usual. So if you're looking for some stuff, head on over to Hogworks. Just go to Hogworks and just visit them. You know what I mean? Like, you can't go wrong. You really can't. I mean, with every company, you can go wrong. Nothing is perfect. I mean, let's just be real about that, right? I mean, like, for example, I wanted this to be glossy, but I didn't specify that. But that's no big deal. That's a couple of bucks for me to take to go and get glossed up, which is no biggie whatsoever. Because this way, I might even change the color. You know what I'm saying? I might change the color to match the rest of the bike, and I might change the other one to match the rest of the bike. But in the meantime, that's the unboxing for today. This bike is gonna look amazing. Right now, you've seen it in the raw. It's, remember the name Anubis. Get used to that name, A-N-U-B-I-S. I love this bike. No, I hate this bike, but then I'm gonna grow to love this bike when I get all the parts put together on here. All right, so this is Sensei telling y'all, man, listen, if you made it to the video at this point, I just wanna remind you, right, that everything you see online is never always just sunshines and rainbows. No, sometimes there are things that we're going through. We're all going through things. Don't get intimidated, don't get bothered, don't get Don't feel like your life is not working well because you see somebody like myself that bought a second motorcycle, or I'm getting parts from companies. I work hard for what I got, you know what I'm saying? And I just want to tell you to stay encouraged, stay motivated, stay pushing, because you're not alone. We're all going through stuff. Do not let depression take you out. For me, this is what I call fun. This is what I call fun. Sometimes I don't have the money and I go and spend the money anyway. Because I believe that, hey, I want to save money, and then I die and I don't get to enjoy the money. I want to enjoy the money right now. That's why I work so hard. So, take your time, be diligent in your craft, and just own it. You feel me? Let's go. This is Sensei telling you, let's get these miles, let's get this money, let's get this muscle. Don't forget, leave the comments, hit that notification bell, so every time I post videos, you see them. All right? Let's go. I'm out. Peace.